Recently, there has been news going around about a PE teacher making sexual remarks and jokes to his student, who happened to be a young lady. His action is certainly not right, and he should face his consequences later. While we are sympathetic for the young lady, I think the best thing to do is how we can prevent this from happening in the future. The Ministry of Education can consider installing voice recording CCTV in every classroom, at the entrance of the toilet, in the canteen, and all. When CCTVs are around and students, teachers are aware that they are around, every one of them will think twice before they open their big mouth or they do anything stupid. It can also help prevent school bullying or teacher misbehaving, or same thing with students who are misbehaving. So this will be a better one. Otherwise, even better, this is a bit absurd, but teachers can now wear a portable CCTV, stick to their pocket, or pin to their dress. So everything the teacher is doing in the class is recorded. So this will prevent all this misunderstanding and problem in the future. What do you all think?